Let's practice speaking Tagalog. Kumusta ka? How are you? Kumusta ka? Repeat after me. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? What's your name? Anong pangalan mo? Anong pangalan mo? Anong pangalan mo? What's your name? Again, kumusta? Kumusta? It could be hello, it could be how are you? Kumusta? Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Repeat after me. Maraming salamat. Please open the door. Pakibukas ang pinto. Pakibukas ang pinto. Again, repeat after me. Pakibukas ang pinto. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Repeat after me. Paalam. Goodbye. Paalam. Paalam. Goodbye. Now, if you've been trying to practice speaking Filipino, speaking Tagalog on your own, this might be the right time to get a speaking partner, Tagalog conversation speaking partner. You could go to learntagalogfilipino.com.